My name is John Kitenge. I run a company called Param Solutions. Param Solutions is a software development company. We build applications, web apps, mobile apps, and we also dabble into machine learning and AI. Our whole goal is to kind of help startups actually build products that change the world. And we also do a lot of corporate work with some of the big blue chip firms in the country. I saw what the impact that IT had on the world, and I also wanted to have that for myself. I wanted to kind of build something that people are going to use and that's going to make their lives better. And IT enables you to do that without having too much capital. It's not like starting a mine or like a farm where, okay, yes, you get to feed a lot of people, but the starting capital is a ton. So IT kind of reduces the barrier to access to build something that's impactful in the world. So I think the benefits of programs like iFundi is that it helps put you in an environment with people that you can learn with. So the cohort or the groups that you're actually learning with can help you actually improve your skills within the space, but it also kind of gives you a guide in terms of what you need to learn, because it's easy for me to just say, go do online courses, but then if you have a platform that actually gives you a step-by-step plan, it makes that journey a lot easier. And I think to be able to join a program like iFundi is a privilege in its own, because I don't think a lot of people get these kind of access or opportunities to actually learn from industry players or industry leaders in terms of how to actually get into the space. Okay, my plan for the future is to build a company that's going to impact a lot of people, and I guess overall employ a lot of people and make the world a better place. That's my number one goal.